You're watching CKWS News at Noon on Global Kingston.
Thanks for joining us here on this Thursday afternoon. A beautiful start to the day we had. We dealt with some rain overnight. That cleared up in time for your morning commute, and then rain returns latter part of the afternoon into the evening. We're looking at around 2 to 4 millimeters of rain, not a whole lot, and then a high of 23 degrees today. Made to feel a little warmer once you factor in that humidex value. It's going to feel like around 26 degrees. And yep, there's that rain we'll be dealing with in the afternoon into the evening. That system pushes on, and then we're left with some clearing, and that means some sunshine on the way to end the week and to begin the weekend. Belleville wishing you a fantastic Thursday afternoon. 22 degrees both today and tomorrow. You'll be dealing with around 1 to 3 millimeters of rain, and then sunshine for you on Friday and indeed Saturday. Look at Saturday for you, Belleville. Fantastic. 25 degrees and a mix of sun and clouds. Not a bad start to the weekend. Brockville 23 degrees today. That light rain expected for you a little later. It's going to feel like 26 degrees for you with that humidex valued in there. Friday, a mix of sun and clouds. 21 degrees up to 24 on Saturday. Average high this time of year is around 21, so Smiths Falls will get to 22 degrees today. Feeling a little warmer with that humidity, and a light rain for you later in the day. Enjoy your sunny start to the afternoon. 21 for Friday and then 24 on Saturday. Both days seeing some sunny periods. Here's how Kingston's next 5 days are unfolding. 23 degrees for us with that light rain later, and then 22 for Friday, a mix of sun and clouds. Just variable cloudiness for Saturday as we get to 24 degrees. Chance of thunder showers for Sunday and some sunshine as well, though. 23 degrees the expected high. And then 22 to begin the week with some sunny periods.
Still a chance of showers tonight. That risk of thunderstorms with us as well, but nice to say it should all end in the morning. We're looking for at least a couple days of decent weather as we roll into the weekend. Can't say it will be picture-perfect weekend. That chance of showers may move back in before the weekend is through. But we've got a couple days that looking decent. We'll talk about that in a moment. 23 for high in Kingston today. Seasonal average is 21, so we're above. 24 in Brockville, Smiths Falls, 23 in Ottawa, 22 in Belleville, 21 in Peterborough, Oshawa, and Toronto today. Probably feeling a few degrees warmer with that 83% relative humidity we have this hour, making that 18 feel about 5 degrees warmer. And no precipitation really to speak of today. I think there was a little bit, just a trace last night, but we're out from under it, and we're going to see it start to rain again through the evening. And I think after midnight, that probability will diminish. We'll start to see some clearing. Not to say that you won't get a shower early in the morning as a result of this troughing that's right in behind the system that brought us the active weather. So the real active weather came the night before, and now we're going to see a little bit of troughing bringing us some cloud, and that small chance of showers should diminish in the morning. High pressure moving in, culminating into a much larger high just to the south, opening the gateway for warmer air. There's the warm front, that push from the south. Probably bring temperatures up another notch or two above normal. Not really any heat waves. I think that's behind us, right? We're into September already. So, but there is a low pressure system, this one here, that we're keeping our eyes on for Sunday. How's Larry doing? Well, he's Category 1, and 150 kilometer per hour winds, sustained winds, gusts much higher than that. And as he scoots across the northern Atlantic, he was Category 3 less than 48 hours ago. But because it's picking up, you're getting that whelming of water off the colder part of the North Atlantic as opposed to the South. You start to lose steam. If you were a hurricane, you would lose steam and drop like this one has. By the time it gets to Newfoundland, overnight Friday into Saturday morning, it's still going to be Category 1. Once it gets past there, though, it drops down to subtropical low. By the time it gets to Greenland, winds are only about 100 kilometer per hour sustained, and not really a big deal for anyone. We are counting on storm surge, strong winds, and waves in excess of 4 meters at crest. This is where we are now. This is why we're saying, yeah, that chance of showers and thunderstorms to the early evening. But then it gets out of the way. We see some clearing. A nice Friday. There is those pop popcorn showers, you know, the little bits and pieces, no large band of rain, but there's a possibility, and that's why we're hanging on to that small probability early morning and into the afternoon. There's like 20-30% probability, but for the most part, not bad. Saturday, early morning hours before sunup, there's that small probability too. But other than that, it's a pretty decent Friday and Saturday. It isn't until we get into Sunday that we see greater resurgence of the probability of showers. 40% on Sunday, high 23, Belleville. But for tomorrow, mix of sun and cloud, high 22, winds west at 20 km, and Saturday, mainly sunny with a high of 25. So it does warm up thanks to that push out of the south. Brockville, up to 21 tomorrow, winds northwest 20 with a mix of sun and cloud, and Saturday, mix of sun and cloud, high 25. You rise to 22 Sunday, and a 60% chance of showers or light rain. Smiths Falls up to 21 tomorrow, northwest winds 20 km, and Saturday rising to 25 with a mix of sun and clouds. Sunday, you're not going to get out from under it either. You're going to get a taste of those showers on Sunday at 60% probability. Kingston, your 5-day forecast, it's a high of 22 tomorrow. Any chance of showers, risk of thunderstorms will end in the morning, and then we'll start to see some clearing quite early. Winds northwest 20, high 22. 24 is your high Saturday with mainly sunny conditions. For Sunday, it's a high 23 and a 60% chance of showers or light rain. Monday, a mix of sun and cloud and rising to 22, and 22 again Tuesday as we see another low move our way with some light rain. Now your weather wallpaper.
This weather wallpaper is brought to you by Pam's Flower Garden. Flowers and tropical plants by Pam since 1962 with same-day delivery.
Chris Miedema of Ottawa sent us a couple pictures while he was visiting Kingston. He managed to capture this fledgling great blue heron. We don't see that very often. We see a lot of the majestic great blue heron photos sent to us. Lots of them. They're such a beautiful bird. You can't, avoid taking their picture and sending it to us. But here's a young one. You can tell because there's no crest and plumage around the neck. It's quite young. So thanks, Chris, for sending that in. In this shot, he actually caught himself a little minnow. Very nice. Thanks a lot, Chris. Send your pictures like Chris did to submissions at ckwstv.com.
That's a very nice nature in action picture,
yeah,
Bill. And so, yeah, no heat waves in our immediate future for sure, but pretty even temperatures, right?
Yeah, it's nice to see that stability where, yeah, you are getting that surge of active weather now and then, but nothing too serious. And we're not getting, the heat waves are behind us, like you said, and we're looking at pretty stable conditions, seasonal or just slightly above as far as the temperatures.
And if you're looking for something outdoors to do, of course, the Midway rides are at the Kingston Memorial Center. And I think the, is it Rib Fest?
Yes,
Rib
this
Fest
weekend
Craft
as well.
Beer Festival, isn't that this coming weekend as well?
Yeah, they're sort of in conjunction over there. So
I checked out the Midway rides there.
Friday and Saturday seem to be the best days for that.
Good. And I was checking out the Midway rides a few days ago, and I ran into Joey, longtime viewer out of Napanee, who operates the monster truck rides. He says to say hi. All right, we'll get you back here with the 7-day forecast a little bit later.
You're watching CKWS News at 11 on Global Kingston.
Well, the chance of showers moving in again tonight. That probability, you may have already seen some falling in your yard. That does come with a bit of a risk of thunderstorms, but things get a little settled overnight as high pressure starts to move in. You got a pretty decent Friday. Any probability of showers probably ending in the morning, and then a mix of sun and cloud through the day. Your Saturday decent too. This high is going to start to diminish, but we still have one in the south, which is going to help to bring in the warmer air. That's the warm front doing so, and so you are probably going to find those temperatures come up a little bit more on Sunday, but there is a chance of showers, anywhere from 40 to 60% probability, depending on where you are, as this low moves in on Sunday. So as high as 22 in Belleville tomorrow, mix of sun and cloud. That chance of showers overnight should end early morning. Saturday, high 25 and mainly sunny, and for Sunday, it's a high 23. Mostly cloudy and a 40% chance of showers. In fact, that probability of showers could get started overnight and then continue Sunday at 40% probability. Brockville, you're up to 21 Celsius, and those northwest winds about 20. So it'll be a drier air mass by the end of the day. Saturday, high 25, mix of sun and cloud, and Sunday, a 60% chance of showers, mostly cloudy. Smiths Falls looking at a couple nice days too as temperatures rise to 25 Saturday afternoon, and then Sunday a high 22, 60% chance of showers or light rain. Kingston, your long range forecast, a high 22 tomorrow. The showers should end in the morning, and then a mix of sun and cloud. Saturday mainly sunny, high 24 up to 23 on Sunday, mostly cloudy and Chance of showers moving in. For Monday, it's a mix of sun and cloud, high 22. Tuesday, the chance of showers returns. Wednesday, that continues. And for Thursday, we start to see the probability diminish as temperatures are just above seasonal.